So what are you thinking?
I like this maze area, but I'm afraid the bamboo is going to get lost. I think I need a background because of the bamboo slats for them to show up. Originally I was thinking out over there someplace, but the bamboo slats may get lost in the background. Nice about this area is that there's dirt, so we can stick the bamboo into the dirt so that fly away someplace.
I'm using the space here because I need a solid background. I'm using a lot of wire in my arrangement, and I love the
textures.
The texture of the cement, the sidewalk here and here, and I'll go ahead and put up a screen here to give some solid color. But this is my space right here. This feels just right.
I like the textures. You might try just with the wire and see how well it comes up,
yeah.
and if you need to put a screen behind it.
That's a great idea. I'm really happy with my piece. I'm trying to add some floral material, and I do have this interesting Aronia berry. I did spray some, but I also am trying it with just its natural, slightly red color.
I wouldn't lay it directly on this.
Uh-huh.
I'd bring it up maybe in here someplace.
Okay, try to put it
Yeah.
here, higher.
Because it's not going to show up, the color is not going to show up
Right.
that well.
Someplace up here off of this?
Yeah. And you may have to cut the stem a little bit.
Yeah, I think so. I have more.
Okay. also thank the two of you for being part of this, and I think we should also thank St. Francis Church for letting us use the grounds.
I have to say that I really loved being with you two and Sensei. Your love of metal has transferred over to myself and over these years. Well, it's just great to share this love of metal and in some cases rusted metal, old metal, and to pair it with something new and fresh. I love it. I don't know what it is, but I love that combination.
My favorite combination is with the rusted metal is the white lilies.
Yes.
That white against the rust is really nice.
Yeah.
So, but I congratulate you. It's always nice for a sensei when you see their students just explode and do these wonderful, amazing things.